York approach, good morning, Korean Air 081 Super, heading 180 descending 8000 with Romeo.
Korean Air 081 Super, New York approach, altimeter is 3009.
3009, Korean Air 081 Super, and Korean Air 081, pen, due to hydraulic problem, we request towing truck after vacate runway via end of runway 04 right.
Hey, Korean Air 081 Super, I'm sorry, can you just say that again? I understand, pan.
Korean Air 081, we have a hydraulic problems that limits our passing capabilities. So after landing, we're going to vacate the runway at the end, and after that, we need to have a tow truck to the gate.
Roger.
Request a long final as well, please. We need to do the manual extension of the landing gear.
Korean Air 081 Super, copy that, you can expect a long final.
Thank you.
Korean Air 081 Super, when able, I just need souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds.
Stand by. Okay, T will be 4167 and the rest is 1 hour 45 minutes. Korean Air 081.
Korean Air 081 Super, turn right heading 200, just going to maintain 2000. And for the fuel, I need it in pounds, not time.
Okay, descend to 2000, heading 200, Korean Air 081.
Korean Air 081 Super, would you prefer the ILS runway 4 right or ILS 4 left? The current RBR for 4 left is 4,000.
I will take the 4 left. Thank you, Korean Air 081.
Korean Air 081 Super, roger. Expect the ILS runway 4 left, turn right heading 220. Speed is your discretion.
Okay, heading 220 for ILS 04 left, Korean Air question is 081.
And Korean Air 081 Super, I'm sorry, I might have missed this, but just one more time. Fuel in pounds remaining.
Stand by. Korean Air 081, now we have fuel 72,400 pounds.
Korean Air 081 Super, thank you.
Welcome.
And Korean Air 081 Super, turn right heading 310. That's going to confirm 2,400 pounds. Korean Air 081 Super, turn right heading 310, and I just want to confirm you said 2,400 pounds in fuel.
Okay, right heading 310, and we have fuel 71,700 pounds.
Roger, 71,700 pounds, copy. Korean Air 081 Super, would a 15-mile final work for you, or would you like a little bit more?
15 mile is good for us, Korean Air 081 Super.
Roger.
Approach Korean Air 081 Super.
Korean Air 081 Super, go ahead.
Due to weather, we prefer auto landing, so request ILS 04 right approach.
Right, Korean Air 01 Super, change the runway, expect the ILS runway 4 right, and are you ready to come in now?
Yes, we are ready, Korean Air 081 Super.
Korean Air 081 Super, turn right heading 020, 11 miles from MB 2000 until you are established, clear the ILS runway 4 right.
Okay, right heading 020, expect ILS 04 right, Korean Air 081 Super.
You are cleared the approach, sir.
Clear for the approach, runway 04 right, Korean Air 081 Super, thank you.
Korean Air 081 Super, contact Kennedy Tower 119.1.
119.1, Korean Air 081 Super, thank you.
Okay.
Kennedy Tower, good morning, Korean Air 081 Super, heading 020, maintain 2000, clear for ILS 04 right. We will vacate 04 right via end of runway and will be towed to the gate.
Korean 81 Super, Canintara, understood. Wind calm, 4 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 04 right, Korean 81 Super.
And Korean 81 Super, just to verify, you'll be able to exit the runway once you land, then you require a tow, correct?
Yes, we can land. That's correct. Affirmative, Korean 81 Super.
Thank you. Korean 81 Super, continue on Fox Bravo. Are you able to continue taxiing at this time?
Negative, Korean 81 Super. We vacated by this position, Fox Bravo, but we will request towing truck to the gate.
Okay, Korean 81 Super, I need you to move a little bit though to make sure you're clear of the runway, okay? And then hold your position, we'll get a tow out you.
Clear the runway and stop and will be towed, Korean 81 Super. Thank you.
Korean 81 Super, you can stop when you're done moving, or if you're able taxiing, then advise.
Okay, after 45 left turn, we will stop.
Korean 81 Super, are you able to make the left turn at Yankee, is what you're saying?
Negative, we will stop before left turn Yankee.
Before left turn Yankee. All right, Korean 81 Super, would you like the emergency equipment to do an inspection of your aircraft?
We don't need any emergency equipment. We need just towing.
I'm correct, Korean 81 Super. Roger, you could hold your position there.
Hold position, Korean 81 Super. Tower Korean 81 Super, we are holding our present position and we will shut down the engine now.
You said you're going to turn off the engine?
Yes. Can we shut down the engine before to be towed?
Korean 81 Super, that's fine with me.
Korean 81 Super, say again.
That is okay.
Okay, Korean 81 Super. And how about contact ground disposition?
No, do not contact ground.
Okay, maintain this frequency, Korean 81 Super.